Hey everyone, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel, True Mode. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm doing this vlog style on a different camera. I just felt like it. I just felt like filming something spontaneous. I really wasn't feeling it this morning. I felt like kind of creatively blocked. Like I didn't know what to film. I didn't know what to do. And then I just saw this sweatshirt that I got recently at Plato's Closet, by the way, for $6. So go to Plato's Closet. It's so cute. It says Féline. And I was just looking at it. I was like, I want to wear this so bad. Like I want to take a cute photo. But then I started getting in my head and I was like, well, this is not like the type of clothing that I would normally post about. Like I'm, you know, my past Instagram posts or blog posts have been more, you know, like dressy outfits almost, I guess you could say. But then I realized I don't need to just stick to one thing, because every day my style is different. Like I want to wear something different every day depending on my mood, depending on the weather or whatever. Like one day I want to look super dressy in a black dress, you know, chic and classy, and then the next day I want to wear a unicorn top. Like that's just me. That's how I am. So I figured, why not? If I want to post a cute photo in a Féline shirt with short shorts and black over the knee socks, I can do it. And it's just all about what I like and my style. So I wanted to show that. And I wanted to let you know that you don't have to fit into any kind of style mold either. Like you don't have to just be one thing. Like you don't have to say, oh, well, I'm usually sporty, so that's all I can pull off or all I can wear. Or, oh, I'm only, you know, girly, so I can't wear something edgy. You know, just wear what you want. Fashion's really changing in that sense. It's not so black and white anymore. It's not, oh, here's a designer show and they're showing their fall collection, so here it is, and then in 6 months, okay, now you can buy pieces that are like it. You know, fashion now, especially with the fast fashion retailers and how they operate, you know, they're going to a fall 2018 show, you know, in February, and they're sketching the designs and then they're sending it to their design house, and 2 weeks later you're seeing those types of trends in Zara, in Forever 21. That's just how it's working. So fashion's really becoming more about the individual person and their style, and it's really being based more off of culture and music and art more than anything. And I really like that, and I really like how everyone's just kind of making their own styles and not really following into just what's trendy, or at least I'm trying not to. I think that's something I used to get really caught up in, is like, how can I be the most in fashion right now? But it's really not about that. It's about creating a style. It's about creating for me now, it's about creating like a story through my fashion and showing my personality and what I like. I know I touched on in my creativity video, I think it was like 2 videos ago, about how I use music to kind of create a visual design or a piece of art or what have you. And I really started thinking about it, and I was like, these musicians that I admire so much, or like Taylor Swift, her music that I admire so much, they all tell a story. And they tell a story, you know, through their audible creativity. And I really want to just tell a story through my fashion and through what I create and what I post. You know, if I'm posting an outfit photo on Instagram, I don't want it anymore to just be an outfit photo. I want it to tell a story. I want it to be something that's really providing value and not just showing the outfit itself. So yes, I could have something that's super high fashion, or, you know, what's in the now, but like, what is it really saying, and what can someone take away from it? So I'm going to be trying to shift my style a little bit and shift the way I'm presenting my favorite styles on my blog and my Instagram. So I guess stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking some photos. I already took a couple photos and I didn't really love how they turned out. It's hard because I take all of my photos myself with my camera and a tripod and a self-timer. So I'm gonna try again to take some cute ones. And so I might set this camera, I have 2 cameras, so I might set this one up to the side so you can kind of see the behind the scenes of how I take my own photos. But yeah, I really love this sweatshirt. It's just so cute, isn't it? And then I have my snake necklace. I wear this all the time. I got it from Express. I love snakes. And then I also have a snake ring. This I got at Nordstrom Rack, I think last summer. I think it was like $20 maybe. Then I got this cute ring, my white nail polish. I love white nails, and I'm so glad it's like getting close to summer, because I feel like the white nails are more of like a summery look. I tried it maybe like once in the winter and I feel like it just didn't go. But yeah. Oh, and then look at these sunglasses. I am obsessed with them. I got them at Aldo in New York City last fall. How cute. These are everything to me. Like, I love how big they are, and I just love all the glam sparkles. So I'm gonna use these for my photo as well. But yeah, moral of the story, just find your own style and just do it, wear it. If your style changes from day to day, go for it. Like, that's only gonna make yourself more interesting. Like, you don't need to fit to one specific mold, and you don't need to, you know, fit to what you think is in fashion right now. Just be yourself. So yeah, you might see a unicorn sweatshirt on me in the future. I do have a unicorn sweatshirt, just so you know. Just wanted to clarify that. I also have a unicorn shirt and unicorn slippers, so yeah. I'm gonna go try to start taking some photos, and I'll bring you guys along. I'm gonna try this transition that the YouTubers do where they're like, and then the next frame they're like, okay, ready? I feel like that was a fail. Okay, everyone, we are about to start taking our photos. I've got my camera set up with the tripod, and we're gonna go outside because I want to do some natural light. I can kind of see the back of my outfit. Cute. Ready? It's kind of cold. It's sunny, but cold. Here we go. Oh, we're out here. Gonna set up the tripod right about here. I don't know if you can even see it. It's so bright I can't see my viewfinder, but okay. So I'm gonna set this up. I think I want to do the photos like on the steps. I don't want to be standing. I tried that earlier. I think I want to try to do like a sit down photo so that the sweatshirt's a little bit more in focus. So yeah, I already set up my camera settings earlier, so I think they saved. So what I do is I frame, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? You can't see because it's so bright. But what I do is I like set up my frame, how I want it. I focus on a point that would be like right behind me in the photo, like right behind my face. I set that as the focus point, and then I basically just start my self-timer. Yeah, so I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see this because this is a little baby tripod, but can you see? Look at that, like right there. Yeah, I guess you can probably see. Okay. I think I maybe got some shots. I'm really cold, so I just can't do this anymore. So we're gonna hope that we got something good. I think we did, maybe like 1 or 2 shots, but we'll see. But I'm really cold because I guess it must be only like 50 degrees. Okay, so I am done taking the photos. Here's kind of messed up from the wind. So the next thing I do is I plug my camera into my computer. I open up all of the photos in iPhoto, I import them, and then I go through and select the ones that I like the best, and then I will import those into Lightroom, edit them from there, and then export them. And then after that I have to start writing the blog post, and then I will edit the footage as well. So I'm about to go through here and see if we got any cute shots. Hopefully we did, but yeah, I will let you know. Okay, so I just took a look at some of the photos and I think I did get some cute ones, but I wanted to tell you guys that I actually found this sweatshirt online. So this is by the designer Brian Lichtenberg, and he is actually the one that does all of the cute like designer inspired clothing items, but like not the designer, so like not Gucci but Gucci, and like, you know, those ones that are like the Hermes logo but it says homies. So yeah, he has some really cute stuff, and he's actually still selling this on his website. Like, I tried to check Revolve and they were sold out, but he still has this up. I don't think it has the gold. It looks like it's just white text, but then he has it in a couple different colors too. So I'll definitely go ahead and link that for you down below if you want to go ahead and purchase it. It looks like it retails for $65, and I got this for $6 at Plato's Closet, but if you really like it, definitely go ahead and buy it and check out his other stuff. It's actually really cute. But actually it does say take 30% off the entire site, so do that. I'm going to link my blog post for this down below, as well as my Instagram, so you can see the final photos. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd really love that. And yeah, until next time, I'm gonna leave you with some rainbows and sparkles. Rainbows, sparkles. But yeah, bye.